to do the California versus Wyoming frozen earth, even though it's not as cold here as Wyoming. I don't know, I think it's more to contend with. We got rain, it rained on top of the snow, it froze, and it is ice solid. I feel like I'm packing and carrying all this stuff through Antarctica. Yeah, I hope this four-wheel drive does the trick on this ice. The next struggle is to get this big bag boy down this ice slope. Here we come, tobogganing. Uh-oh, it is heavier than I think. Okay, who toggles their life between California and Wyoming? Only me. Sign that I've arrived in Jackson with my bag, but it's also a good sign that everyone else is arriving in Jackson with a bag. So I think it's going to be good snow, good times, and let's see if I got the boot. So what good is it if the boot bag didn't make it here? So, you know, the greatest parts about being in Jackson Hole and getting ready for the summer races, but still having the winter, and being able to come in here and shop when they're selling off all their winter stuff. So what you do is you look for end of winter stuff for next year and then get ready for the summer. Okay. Welcome to Skinny Skis. These are the ones that will be putting on the 4th of July race for the community, and we will be the ones timing it for them. I was going to have them talk to you in Nepalese, but they're so busy tonight. It's a Friday night, but we just had dinner here, so we'll talk. I'll have you talk with my son when we get home. But this is their restaurant. Yeah, this is their restaurant. Here's how I roll in Jackson Hole, especially if there's a storm. Perfect ideal of an evening. They have in the basement a gym, full-blown gym, actually, and a yoga workout room. And I'm looking on the billboard, you're a yoga instructor, but full-blown gym, cardio, treadmills, all the weights that you'd ever want, equipment. Check this out. Then you shower, and also in the basement of the White Buffalo in Jackson Hole is this exclusive restaurant that serves incredible steaks. Sitting in front of fire. The restaurant is in here, but I am going to do some work on my computer and enjoy my spot right here. How do you film yourself without doing a selfie? I guess you come in the restroom and talk to yourself in the mirror, but I am, it's out of order too. I am in Bubba's in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, and I'm about to go outside, and it's been interesting and fun to get races set up for the summer and come here in the winter. So they have a storm coming in Wyoming. It's supposed to drop 20 inches to 30 inches in the next 3 days. So I'm going to get it in while we can. We're going to take tennis shoes out on this trail and get a run in before the storm actually really starts to sock in. Part about this trail, this is Jackson Hole's dog haven. Dogs are allowed on this trail, so everyone who has a dog brings them out here. This is also where the local town comes to sled. Woo! Beautiful. Oh, I'm so delighted to be out here running at elevation. This is what you do in Jackson. You park, you go up, not down. You use backcountry skis, lightweight gear, very lightweight skis. You bring, if I could reach them, do I have snow on the tip of my nose? I think I do. You bring skins to skin up, and let's do it. Okay, can't do anything the easy way or the normal way. I gotta do it the backcountry way. We're going to push these into twist, and that is cross-country mode. Push this one into cross-country mode, and get up to the top of that mountain. I think that's a 2,000-foot elevation. One stinking step at a time. Thank you. Couldn't be done without a community and friends. Couldn't have been done without the Kamachos showing up today and doing a lot of this for me. View from the front door, and that's after about 3 feet of it has washed away in this rain. And come on in here. Yeah, finally brought that back. Been towing around since Wyoming. View from the back door. Don't you dare try to get out. Nope. Nope, not yet. We're gonna go see Pam and the puppies. So, on the mountain, on my way into the cabin, and there's a storm.
It's time to let the dogs out to go to the bathroom. Are you guys ready? Huh? You ready, champ? You ready to go potty? Okay. And they're out there somewhere until they come back.
It actually looks like Pinedale, Wyoming. It's not. It's Southern California. And here's the first glimpse of the mountains. It snowed all the way down to the valley. We're locked out, snowed out, waiting for them to figure out how to get everything plowed to be able to get back up there. Okay, Winter, I'm gonna make a deal with you. I'm not taking my Christmas lights down until you stop being Winter. Is that a deal? And I think I'm hopefully fragile. I could crawl in here. But yeah, your Christmas lights, you are staying up until winter stops being winter. What do you think is the deal? This is what happens when you get 9 feet of snowfall, and then you get 4 feet more of snowfall. And yeah, he's whining because he doesn't know how to get out. Me neither. Can we punch a hole in that? No, it's ice hard. We're stuck. You glue it in. Well, let's make sure it can shut. So, good thing it's Arms Day. Good thing it's Arms Day. And we had another foot, oops. Are you still there? Yeah. We have another foot of snow to dig out. Core day. Cores, abs, arms. Okay, I was out here yesterday doing the same thing, bragging about Arms and Abs Day, and got another 8 inches. Back at it. Here's back at you. Houston, we have a problem. The problem is I barely have enough strength now to get this over the embankment. We get any more snow, and that is the end of shoveling as we know it. There is no more else to put it. Mission accomplished. The wall that's coming off the roof. Dug the channel, or kept the channel clear. Clear, clear, clear. Mission to the truck. Beautiful day here at Jackson, Wyoming. We are about 3 minutes away from the start of the Cass Creek to Game Creek trail run. And the cool part, this is kind of a village here of our own. Mountain community running, trail runners, milling, and we couldn't ask for a better beautiful day. Ready for this run?
Woo! Oh, yeah.
And where are you from?
From Driggs.
Where are you from?
Jackson. Victor.
Awesome. All mountain community.
Actually, Jackson's oldest trail run. And so we got some people to thank for making that happen. Montaigne is our sponsor this year with the big flag.
Finish your overall, and he comes and he goes, that was fun.
So fun. Flowy downhill, super quick. It's kind of like you turn into a mountain bike and you're just, there you go. It's great.